Many of our users want to segment their mailing list into smaller groupings. For instance, you might want to send a newsletter only to recipients who live in Springfield. In the past, you did this by creating a regular sublist, by going to the subscribers menu and clicking on the sublist icon. You click the add button, and in this case we'd call it Springfield, since we want a subgrouping of people who are from Springfield. We'd click the OK button, but at this point there'd be no one on our new sublist. We'd have to populate this list manually. And we do that either by going to our subscriber list and editing an individual record. In this case, we'll add Adrian to the sublist by checking this checkbox here. The other way to populate a sublist was to use the import feature. You'd usually create a CSV file in Excel, and in this case you'd list only the recipients from Springfield, and then you would import the list just by going through our import feature. A smart sublist changes all of that. Let's say that these people here are all from Springfield. Well, when you create a smart sublist and then define what you're looking for, in this case recipients that are from Springfield, our system automatically pulls the people from Springfield into your new sublist. You no longer have to edit individual subscriber information or create a CSV file. Now let's say that somebody new subscribes to your list. Well, again, our system, if this particular person is from Springfield, our system would automatically detect that and pull them into the smart sublist as well. Let me show you how this works in our actual system. Let's say that you want to create a smart sublist that would include everybody from Springfield and Summerfield. First, you go to the Subscribers tab and click on this Smart Sublist icon. It's the one with the cogs on it. To create a new list, we'll click the Add button. The first thing that we'll do is we'll change the name of the Smart Sublist, and we'll call this one Springfield and Summerfield. Next, we'll define what we're looking for. So we'll select the city field, and we'll make it equal to Springfield. And then we'll hit this plus button here. At this point, we can preview what our list would look like right now. And you'll see that there are 60 people on our list who are from Springfield. Okay, now let's add people from Summerfield. So again, we'll select the radio button that says OR, and we'll select the city field. We'll make it equal to Summerfield, and click the plus button. Now when we preview our list, we'll see that there's 84 people on our list that are from both Springfield and Summerfield. And remember, this is updated dynamically, so whenever someone new subscribes, they'll also be added to this list if they're from Springfield or Summerfield. Let's say that we're done creating our smart sublist and now we want to send to this group. We'll click the OK button, and then we'll go to our My Mailouts tab and click the Send Options icon. Here we can either send to our entire list, which is 134 recipients, or we can click on this tab here to send to a sublist or a smart sublist. And we'll see that the smart sublist we just created is right here. We'll check that box and then refresh the total, and we'll see that there are 84 recipients on this list. To send the mail out to this list right now, we just click the Send Now button. There are a few other things you can do with smart sublists. Let's say that you want to create a smart sublist for all the recipients you have who have Hotmail email addresses. We click the Add button to create a new smart sublist, and we'll change the name to Hotmail. We'll select the email field, and we'll also select Like, and then type in Hotmail, and click the plus button. When we click the preview icon, we'll get a list of only the recipients who have Hotmail email addresses. To save this new list, we just click OK. Now, something else you might want to do is have a smart sublist for everyone who's subscribed since a certain date. We'll click the Add button to create this new list and change the name to Since July 1st, and click OK. In the field drop-down box, we'll select Date Subscriber Added, and we'll make it greater than July 1st. When we click the plus button and then preview it, we'll get a list of only the subscribers who have subscribed since that date. Again, to save this new list, you just click the OK button. Here we have a list of all 3 smart sublists that we've created. We can edit them, we can preview the list, or we can delete them. And we can also see that when we click Send Options, we have all 3 of our smart sublists listed here as well. You can also preview these lists from the Send Options menu.